So Friday I rewired a 1941 General Electric refrigerator and it now works. Check it out. I got this 1941 General Electric refrigerator. We're having to rewire the compressor and all the wiring, power cord, relay box and everything. Taking the top off, the top's right there. Wiring comes in the back here. And this is the old wire here. It's all dry and cracked. Putting a new wire on. I'm gonna come in here. This is an insulation on the top. And I'm gonna take this off and rewire down into here. The thermostat is. We'll get it done. General Electric. Okay, this is gonna rewire here. Gotta take this cover off the bottom. Pop these tabs. And now okay, so that's it. That fridge is working great. Happy customer. I'm happy. It was a lot of fun working on. It's really neat to see a fridge, the 1941, that's still working and working probably better than a lot of the stuff made today. So this fridge is probably older than you, Dad. All right. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you later.